A property buyer messages your real estate business on WhatsApp. But instead of waiting for an agent to reply, they can start exploring your properties immediately. And that's exactly what this chatbot is doing right now. As you can already see on your screen, the buyer can explore apartments, villas, or independent homes directly on WhatsApp. Based on their selection, the chatbot automatically shares the relevant property details, pricing, and images, helping them explore the available options without your sales teams handling the conversation manually. And once the buyer is interested in the property, the chatbot does not stop there. It takes them directly to the site visit process, collects their name, contact number, preferred visiting date and time, and finally sends them a personalized confirmation. But what about those buyers who are interested in property but don't know whether they are ready to buy yet? So that's where the AI-powered assistant comes in. The buyer simply click on "Am I ready?" button and the AI assistant takes over the conversation to answer their questions. And the best part is this AI assistant is trained using the real estate business own data. So here we are combining property discovery, buyer qualification, AI assistance, and site visit booking into one automated WhatsApp experience. And I have created this complete system without writing a single line of code, using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool called Pabbly Chatflow. And in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can build the same WhatsApp chatbot for your own real estate business step by step. But before we go into it, let's take a quick overview of the tool that makes all of this possible, called Pabbly Chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to create automated chatbots and AI-powered assistants without any coding. You can use it to automate customer conversations, collect leads, qualify buyers, share product or property details, and much more. So instead of manually handling the same WhatsApp conversations again and again, you can create your flow once and let it work for your business 24/7. And the best part, you don't need to purchase anything immediately. You can first try Pabbly Chatflow for yourself, create the same chatbot along with me by using Pabbly Chatflow free trial, and after trying it, if you find it useful and decide to purchase a plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this chatbot. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I'll click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows feature, and see this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of me. Here you can create and manage direct chatbot seamlessly using a no code user-friendly drag and drop builder. For creating a new chatbot flow, you have to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, name as trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow. Here I have given. Now I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. At first, you need to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. See, trigger will start the chatbot flow. Here I am selecting the keyword. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the buyer will send to me. For adding a keyword, you need to enter the word in this field and press enter. Here I am adding only 2 keywords, but you can add more. Now whenever the buyer will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp account, then automatically my bot gets trigger and reply to them by sending them one welcome message on behalf of my business, just like this. So for that, I am adding this text button from here and entering a welcome message in this enter message box as welcome to Urban Key Properties. Not sure which property is right for you. See, this is the same message that I have received here. Now with this message, I want to add 3 quick buttons by the name of Am I Ready, View Properties and Contact Agent. So for that, I'm clicking on this plus add button and entering a button name as Am I Ready, selecting the button type as quick reply. After that, I'll click on the save button, and the second quick button I am adding is View Properties. After that, the third one is Contact Agent. Here I have added. Now I am linking the trigger point of this flow to this node. See, it is connected. Now let's say the buyer will not sure which property they want to purchase and they are just exploring. So they will click on this Am I Ready button. Then automatically one AI powered agent takes over the conversation. So for that, I am clicking on this actions option and adding a button as Assign AI Assistant. After that, I am selecting the AI assistant from here. See, this is the real estate AI agent that I have already created before. For creating an AI assistant, you need to go inside this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow, as everything is present inside this single tool. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI powered assistant based on your own business. See, I have already created this real estate AI agent before, so I'm directly going in this one. See, the creation of the AI assistant is the easiest thing that I have ever done. All I did was upload my own real estate business knowledge base file inside Pabbly Chatflow. See, this is the same file, Urbanness Real Estate AI knowledge base, that I have opened here. With the help of this knowledge base, the assistant can answer the buyer's question based on my own business information. And if you want me to create a separate detailed video on how you can set up and train an AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, then let me know in the comment section. I will create a complete tutorial for that as well. Now let's go back to our flow and continue the creation. After selecting the AI assistant, to start with, I am selecting as welcome message. You can also change it if you want to. After that, I'll enter the welcome message in this field as hi, I am your AI property advisor. I'll help you understand how ready you are to buy a property. See, this is the same message that I have received here once I click on this Am I Ready button. So this is how easily you can assign an AI assistant inside the chatbot flow. After that, I am linking this circle which are present in front of Am I Ready to this node. See, it is connected. Moving forward, when the buyer will click on this View Properties button, then my bot will reply to them by sending them list of types of available properties just like this. So for adding these types of messages, you need to click on this messages option and add button as list button. See, this list node is divided in 3 parts, name as header, body and footer. In this case, I am not entering any header or footer, so I'm leaving these blank and directly entering a message in this enter body box as explore available properties, find properties that match your lifestyle and investment goals. After that, I'll click on this H section button and entering our section title as property types. Here I have added. Now for adding list of types of properties, you need to click on this plus add items button. Here I'm adding only 3 types of properties, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. See, here I have added such as apartments, villas and independent homes. You can also enter description in the center description boxes if you want to. Here I haven't added. After that, I am linking this view property circle to this list node. Here it is connected. Now when the buyer will select the property type that they are interested in, then my bot will reply to them by sending them the image and the pricing details of the property just like this. So for adding this type of message, you need to add this media button from here. Select the media type as image. After that, upload the image from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this one from here. See, this is the test image of apartment. You can use the real images based on your own property. After that, I'll click on this add content button and selecting the content type as text button. Moving forward in the center message box, I'm going to enter the details about this apartments. Here I have added. In this message, I have also entered the messages interested in this property. So for that, I am adding 2 quick buttons by the name of yes and no go back. Here I have added, see, I am designing this chatbot flow and entering the content completely based on my choice. You can customize it based on your own business. Moving forward, I want to add one more apartment. So for that, I'm clicking on this plus add content button, selecting the content type as media type as image, uploading the image of the next apartment. Here it is uploaded in real time. It is going to be delivered to your buyers just like this. Now I am adding the details about this apartment as well. For that, I'll again click on this plus add content button, selecting the content type as text button. After that, I'll enter the details about this apartment in this enter message box. See, the process is almost same. You need to understand the logic only and change the content. Here I have added. After that, I am linking the apartment circle to this node. So this is how easily you can add images inside chatbot flow. See, here I have set this message node specifically for the apartments. Now I am going to do the same 2 more times for each of them also. See, here I have successfully added 2 more messages as well, as this one is for the villas and this one is for the independent homes. Now when the buyers will interested in any of these properties and they will click any of these yes button, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to the setup of custom field tag. So for that, I'll click on this actions option and adding button as set custom field. After that, I'll select the contact custom field as property type. Next, in this enter value box, I am going to enter the same property that I have selected here. Here I have added as Green Valley Heights because this is the same property. You have to make sure that the property you have selected here is the same. You have to enter in this enter value box at the end. This will help your bot to provide customized message to your buyers completely based on their selected choice. I'll show you how it will work. See, as soon as I have click on the yes button of this Silver Oak Residence, that will automatically mention Silver Oak Residence at the last. So this is how it works. Moving forward, I'm going to connect this yes circle to this contact custom field. Now what is contact custom field? So contact custom field is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, property types, phone number, etc. In simple terms, it is used for sending personalized message based on the buyer's input. For creating a contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go inside this contact custom fields option. Here I have set this contact custom field specifically for this property. Now I am going to do the setup of 5 more contact custom field nodes for each of them also. See, here I have successfully added all the 5 contact custom fields nodes for each of them. As you can see that I use the same contact custom field in each of these nodes as a property type, but only change the value completely based on the property that I have selected here. Now the next button is no go back. When the buyers will click on this button, then bot will again send them this property list. That's why I am linking all of these no go back circle to this list node. As connection plays major role, you have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Here it is connected. Now when the buyers will interested in any of these properties and they will click on any of these yes button, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full names. So for that, I am adding one ask question button from here and entering a question in this enter message box as great choice you are interested in with $symbol property type. Let's schedule a site visit for you. May I have your full name? As you can see that I have used the $symbol before this property type because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol automatically the buyer selected response will come because I have selected the property type contact custom fields in each of these nodes, and with the help of these and this $symbol only the buyer selected choice will come in this place as it is used for sending a personalized message. It will automatically mention the Silver Oak Residence in place of this $symbol property based on my selection. After that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your buyers will re-answer the question that you have entered in this field. It also works like this. Here I have selected the format as text, but the buyers will reply to the bot in the format of number or any other format except text, and bot does not give any reply to them. And for handling these types of cases, we need to increase the number of attempts. But whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For this case, you can enter the validation message like please share your name in the correct format. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. message. After that, I am linking all these 6 contact custom field not circle to this question box. See, it is connected. Moving forward, when the buyers will share their full name, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their contact number, preferred site visit date and time. So for that, I'm again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 3 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added all the 3 questions, where this one is for the contact number. That's why I have selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format as number. This one is for the preferred site visit date and this one is for the timing. Now when all these conversation will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized request receive message to the buyers, and that will be fully personalized based on their input, just like this. So for that, I am clicking on this messages option and adding button as text button and entering the respond message on this enter message box as site visit request received, thank you, with dollar symbol, full name, property type, date and time. I have already explained you about this dollar symbol, as it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this only the buyer provided inputs will come. After that, I'll link this circle. Now the last button is contact agent. When the buyers directly wants to communicate with the agent, then they will click on this button and the bot will share them the contact details. So for that, I'll click on the circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. After that, I'll enter the contact details of the property agent in this enter message box. Here I have added and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become disabled and it will not work. Also click on this save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. So that's it. This is how easily you can create a real estate chatbot flow that qualify property buyers directly on WhatsApp. This bot will work 24/7 for your business even when you are unavailable. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing chatbot flow for your own business too. Now I am going to end this tutorial. If you face any difficulty, so you have any queries while creating this amazing chatbot flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. And this is just an example. By simply doing the drag and drop process, you can create an attractive WhatsApp chatbot based on your own business requirements. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.